I don't know if any of y'all had this problem yet on my new Model S, but the touchscreen display pivot mechanism went out, and so it wouldn't swivel on its own. If you punched it, it would just kind of stop. Then you'd have to push the thing manually almost back into place. Okay, I got my car checked in and they're getting me a loaner at the moment, trying to find where it's at. So hopefully it'll be done this afternoon and come back down here and pick it up. Well, they were very nice at the service center and they gave me a loaner Model 3 until my car is done. So hopefully this afternoon I can get down there and pick it back up, get my Model S back. Well, the service center gave me this Model 3 for a loaner while my car's being serviced, and they put on my profile onto the Model 3, and it hooked up the full self-driving. So I've got full self-driving available on the loaner car, and that's a little added bonus here. Well, I picked up the Model S at the service center, but they didn't get it fixed. Unfortunately, I guess there was a couple motors in the back of the screen that needed to be replaced, and so they had to order the motors. I probably figured something like that would happen, because when I dropped it off, the serviceman said, let me look in the car and show me what's going wrong with it. So I showed him how the screen wouldn't activate properly, and he's like, I've never seen something like that before. So I had a feeling it might have taken more than what they planned. So I have a new appointment set for a few weeks from now for take it back down and have them put the little motor things in the back, and that should do it. They said it'll be less than a day to fix, so it won't take long. I'll get with you when we get ready to take it down again, and we'll see how it comes out at the end. Well, I'm here at the North Austin Service Center getting the car serviced, getting the monitor swivel fixed. So and in the meantime, I hit a huge pothole up near Waco and bent a front rim, so they're gonna put a new rim on also. And initially they told me they were gonna need my car all day. While they were getting a loaner car ready for me, one of the other technicians came up and said, hey, I can have that done for you in an hour and a half if you want to wait. So I'm waiting. We'll see if they can get it done quick, but that's pretty good. All right, they had this done in an hour and a half. Let me peel this little sticker off the new rim. New rim looks good. And we'll go inside and check how the monitor works. Okay. Let's see here. The monitor should... Okay, the monitor... Let's go. Well, that works good. Oops. Let's go back to normal. Go to the left, right. Oops, get back on there. Cool, works just like new. And these guys here I have nothing but good things to say about the service center here in North Austin. So hopefully I won't be back for a while, but that was just a little minor maintenance to get fixed. So I'm back on the road.